Hi, Modesto City School students. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign into our 5-star website to do things like request hall passes, double check our points, and more. I'm starting here in my MCS app portal, and I'm going to look for the 5-star student icon. If I can't find it, I can type in the number 5 and the word star to launch my 5-star website. Then I'll be brought to my home page here in 5-star with all of my 5-star information, including my name, my ID, any rewards I've claimed or surveys that are open to me, my current points, hall pass, and the ability to check in. If I'd like to see any one of these items, such as my ID, in depth, I can click on it to bring up all that information. I can also click on points earned to see my current point value and my history of earning them. If I would like to get a hall pass, depending on my availability, I might be able to choose a hall pass type and click Get Pass. However, I'm not eligible for this pass, so I am not able to use this one. I can, however, click Scan QR Code to scan a QR code and check out a hall pass that way. Simply try to line up the hall pass with your computer's camera and confirm that you would like to add that hall pass. You'll then see the live hall pass, and you have that amount of time to complete whatever activity you scheduled. When you're done, you can wait for the time to run out, or you can manually close the pass. If you want to see what rewards are available to you, you can click on Rewards to see your student store. Here, you'll see all the items available to you and the approximate value in points. Simply go to the student store to spend the points and claim your prizes. I can click Home to return home, and click Dashboard to go back to my dashboard. Here on the home screen, I'll see the leaderboard with all of the different students and their top leaderboard points, as well as points broken down by grade level for any kind of competition. When I'm done looking at this, I can go back to the dashboard. And just like that, you now know how to navigate the 5-star student website. Thanks for watching.